Okay, I think most of the children came. This is class 10 always prompt. That's why I'm always telling. Not like other classes. Okay then. Good morning, children. Here, what I am telling you. Distance formula we study. And coming to section formula, you study what? What is distance formula? The confusion. In the textbook also they are telling. You have to read the textbook. S2 minus root of S2 minus S1 whole square plus root of Y2 minus Y1 whole square, that will be AB square. They are telling the distance, this distance. Distance formula is telling this distance. Root of S2 minus S1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Okay, that is the square root. S2 minus, there is no confusion. Now yesterday we studied X is equal to, S will not be in the middle. Middle is very easy formula. That time now time is over, that is why I completed it. I will come to that. S coordinate of the point which is cutting AB in the ratio M1 and M2. M1 is to M2. Ratio, you know, M1 is to M2. Then S coordinate of that is equal to M1 into, as I recall, like M1 into S2, then plus M2 into X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Then Y coordinate of that. This formula, all of you have to study this formula. All of you. It is not hard, I told you. M1 into S2 plus M2 into S1 divided by S coordinate is equal to, I can write M1 plus M2. Y coordinate also. Denominator, no confusion, M1 plus M2. Here, M1 into, what is this? S2 plus M2 into X1. This is the S coordinate and this is the Y coordinate. Change Y. M1, Y1, come into Y2 plus M2
Sir,
into
can you write
Y1,
clearly?
M1 divided by M1 plus M2. Am I right or not?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you write the board clearly?
Okay, I will write. Listen here, this is exactly same thing in the textbook. Exactly same thing. All of you open the page number 163. Page number 163. All of you open that. Can you see that? The coordinate of the point PXY, which divides the line segment joining the point S1, Y1 and BS2, Y2 in the ratio M1 is to M2 R. Can you see that? That we can say first is S coordinate. That is what they didn't write. Exactly same thing. This is A and this is B. So they are writing the coordinate S coordinate and Y coordinate. What I did here, S coordinate is equal to M1 X1 plus M2 S2. The method I told you, M1 S2, M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. And order is the denominator M1 plus M2. Numerator M1 into S2 plus M2 into S1 divided by M1 plus M2. Can you see that? What a
Yes, sir.
That is your x coordinate, right? That x on the top of that you can write s coordinate. And second one is, if you know this one, this x I am talking about, then if you know this idea, not by don't know by heart, mentally you can do that. Next one, you can manipulate from y coordinate is equal to y is equal to, I told you the method, ratio denominator. Then this ratio, first ratio into y2 s2 plus second ratio into y1. That is it. I think it is clear. Any doubt you can ask me? Clear, Ayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, yesterday I extended this one. I did here, but that time our time is over. That is one. Suppose, don't confuse. This is the line P and Q. Here x1, y1, s2, y2. The point same thing. S1, y1, and you have to listen me what I am telling. I am talking everything. Here it is not center. X and y, p, x, y. It is not center. Somewhere here also, p, x, y here. Suppose it is in the center. Your work will be very easy. You understand the difference? When the points is cutting on the middle, bisecting. That is why they are telling the special case, two special cases there. Special case 1.1. All of you look that. Can you read this one special case? Anybody please? Special case 1.1. What is the special case? Read that.
The
Please.
midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Therefore, the coordinates of the midpoint P of the join of the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 is...
Okay, fine, good. What is new then? ഇതിലെന്തൊരു new and the new idea എന്താ വന്നത്? So coordinate
Point is on the middle.
Very good, excellent. Middle, that means this we know half, here will be half. And here will be half. Half ratio means division. Half divided by half, that means 1 by 1, that is 1:1. So I can extend the question, the formula, instead of pxy, here the midpoint is s coordinate. It is the middle point. That means m1 is equal to, tell me what is m1 is equal to? 1. m2 is equal to 1. 1:1. So only you can substitute the value instead of m1, m2. You are getting very easy formula. What is s coordinate is equal to? What is your m1? 1. 1 into s2 plus, again m2 also 1. 1 into, tell me, 1 into
x1
x1 divided by 1 plus 1. That means you got the formula s1 plus s2 divided by 2. This is s coordinate. Then tell me what is y coordinate. See, simple calculation only.
y2 plus y1 divided by 2.
Can I write y1 plus y2 divided by 2?
Yes.
Of course. Why? Why like this?
Addition, how do we
Addition എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താലും സെയിം അല്ലേ?
Yeah. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Yesterday we said 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3. There is no order. Some properties. Anyway, you got x is equal to u equal to y. All of you write that. The midpoint, same thing you can write. The midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Not this one. If you want, you can note this whole thing. Doesn't matter. The midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Therefore, the coordinate of the midpoint P of the join of the point x1 and s2 by 2 is, write this one, s1 plus s2 by 2, y1 plus y2. You can write x is equal to s1 plus s2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Very easy, s1 plus s2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. No need of m because all are 1. It is on midpoint only. Sometimes you can see in the question paper also. Here you have half. If I am cutting trisection, one question I saw that. What do you mean by trisection? It's bisection. Bisection means cutting. What is bisection?
3 parts.
Cutting into 3 parts.
No, trisection means cutting 2 parts. No, 3 parts. No, more thing we had to add.
Equal 3 parts.
Very good, very good. That is it. You must be sharp. Imagine you must be sharp, I told you. Bisection means cutting 2 equal parts. Trisection means cutting 3 equal parts. I can cut in many ways, you know, but bisection, trisection, perpendicular bisection, all terms you study. Be sharp. I told you always 5 plus 3 is 7, not 7.1. Math is sharp. You will be sharp. Okay, fine. Now trisection means we can extend this one. We can make this one. Suppose this is A, this is B, and 1 part, 2 parts. See, here we are getting, this is 2 parts and this is 1. 2:1.
Okay.
We can find them. 2:1. 2 parts, equal parts. Then after that, if you are clever, you can make bisection here. You will get every point. A, B, C. We will come to that. One question I noticed that. Will come because you are getting this point 2:1. Then after that, bisection, middle formula is very easy. Okay. Okay then. Now one more small idea is that I think this concept you have understood, bisection. Okay. Now there you can see K. What is that K? Generalization. General we are doing in the problem. You can see an example also. I told you many times. Dear children, please read the example. Some are reading. I'm happy. I know some are reading. It's very responsive like this. Have you noticed scalar? Scalar സംഭവം ആരെങ്കിലും നോട്ടീസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? കണ്ടോ K? Okay, listen, all of you. Page number 165. Alternative, that method we are following. Alternative method. ചില method നമ്മൾ follow ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Alternatively. Page number 165. All of you underline that. Alternative method we are following. You can see M1 is equal to M1 is to M2. Here, be careful. It is not M1 is equal to M2. It is ratio. Again, I am telling ratio means comparison by division. Ratio and proportion. Ratio. Okay. That means don't think that 1:2 means 1/2 only. 1/2, okay. Maybe this is 10 by 20. Maybe this is 5/10. This is 1/2, 1:2, correct? This is again 1:2, 1/2. This all are ratio like that. That means we can multiply by, that means like a fraction we can take. Here multiply into 10, into 10, into 5, into 5, into 2, into 2. That means like a like fraction. Here, listen here, M1 is equal to M2. Here listen, 5, what I did? 5 by 10 or 50 by 200 divided by 100 divided by 100. I got 5 by 2. Suppose another example, 50 by 200 divided by 10 divided by 10, 5 by 20. I can divide same number. You divide by a multiply also. You can divide also. Divide by 10, divide by 10. Again divide by 5. Divide by 5. Can I say 1 by 4?
Yes.
That means 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. That is why I am doing ratio. Okay. It was before that 5 is to 20. I divided by 5. Because 5 is the divided by 5. Divided by 5. So this is 1. This is 4. 1 is 2. Now here what I am doing. As their method. A good method that one. M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2 divided by M2 divided by M2. That means M1 by M2 is to 1. That means this is K is to 1. That is a constant. This is a constant only K. K is to 1. This is useful for us. That is why all of you underline that and write this method. M1 to M2, K is to 1. This one. The example you had to go to the example from.
Sir, why we take their M2 divided by?
Why I divide here by 5? We can divide any number, but only the thing, if you are dividing here, you can divide here. We can multiply also like a fraction. This we can divide same number. Here M2 is there. By purpose, because we need 1 for applying application level. It is not wrong. Can I divide M2? Yes. I can divide M1 also. No problem. If I am dividing by M1, 1 is to K, I will get it here. Suppose M1 divided by M1, that is equal to M2 divided by the same thing I can divide. That means this is 1. Any number divided by same number is 1. 1 is to K, that means K is to 1. Okay? ശരിയല്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
K is to 1. We need 1. That is why we can divide. Ratio വേണ്ടി നമുക്ക് ചെറുതാക്കാം വലുതാക്കാം എന്തും ചെയ്യും. But ratio is always in the shortest form. We are doing like that. Anyway, now come to the problem. Example എല്ലാം ചെയ്യണം. Example കണ്ടോ? Example തന്നെ trisection കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection. അവിടെ പറയുന്ന equal parts. Example 8 കണ്ടില്ലേ? Okay. ഇനി ഇതിന്റെ example 9 ഒന്ന് നോക്കൂ. K കണ്ടോ അവിടെ? All of you please check example 9. Example 9. Find the ratio in which y-axis divide the line segment joining the point. Find the point of intersection. അവിടെ ratio തന്നില്ല. Let the ratio be K is to 1. Now M1 is to M2. Whatever be that, we can write K is to 1. Then equal to 1 ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് ചെയ്യാം. Example നോക്കണം. നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം we can. ഇതുവരെ പറഞ്ഞ് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? സംശയം ചോദിക്കണം.
Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. എക്സസൈസ് ആണ് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ. നല്ല എക്സസൈസ് കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. വളരെ നൈസായിട്ട് ഇതാ ഫ്ലാഗ് ഒക്കെ അല്ല ചെടിയോ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഫ്ലാഗ് ഹോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ. Now exercise 7.2. Read the first question. 7.2. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7, 4, -3 in the ratio 2, 3. Direct question only. P is given, X, Y. Here A, here B. A is -1, 7, and B is 4, -3. 4, -3. Do fast. Find the coordinate of the point. We divide the join of in the
Sir,
ratio 2:3.
one
2
doubt, sir.
is to 3. What is the doubt?
ആ K:1 നമ്മൾ റേഷ്യോ തരാത്ത സമയത്താണ് ഇടേണ്ടത്.
അതെ അതെ റേഷ്യോ തരാത്ത സമയം. റേഷ്യോ തന്നാൽ റേഷ്യോ തന്നെ
ഓക്കെ.
റേഷ്യോ M1:M2 ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. പക്ഷെ അത് രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻ വേണ്ട ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. ആ മെത്തേഡായി കാണിച്ചു. പക്ഷേ ആ മെത്തേഡ് ചെയ്യണ്ട. K:1 ആ മെത്തേഡ് ആൾട്ടർനേറ്റീവ് മെത്തേഡ്. Now here ratio is given. Find the coordinate. Find the coordinate of the points. So x is equal to formula. X is equal to M1 plus M1 into S2 plus M1 into X1 divided by M1 plus M2. ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ. Try y x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, Jinsha, good. Y also find out. 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1. 2 into 4, 4 minus 3 and -1. 3 into -1 is -3 divided by 5. That means 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, that means 5 by 5, that is 1. Then y also you can find out is not hard. Okay. Y good, yeah. Y is equal to formula you have to write M1 plus M2, then M1.
Y is equal to 3.
Okay, good. M1, M2, M2, Y1. This we know. What? This is M1, 2 into -3, 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7. 3 into 7. 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7. That means -6 plus 3 sevens are 21 divided by 5. That means 15 by 5, not 21. 15 by 5, that is 3. X and Y, we got this point now. What is this? 1 and 3 coordinate system. 1, 3. Correct that. Direct application. Exactly same question. That is homework. Find the coordinates of a trisection. Okay, no, not bisection, the trisection. Okay, how can you do the second question? Find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line. Draw the rough figure. Is the line good? X and Y you got, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second question, trisection. Do that. Cut in 3 equal parts. What a figure right? Okay, this is a line A, B, A is given like this one. Mark it. 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. 1, 2. A, B, C, and D. Find out D first or C, then find out next two one. You can mark, look here. One, another one part, trisection. That means this is two parts, this is one part. That means ratio. That means M1 is to, ratio is 2:1. Now as before we can do. Here D we are getting. This is D is XY and C is X1, Y1.
Sir, 2:1 is not given now.
This understood, my girl. Look here. Trisection. 1, 1, 1. Moon equal parts are it is not given. 2:1 not given, but understood this one. 1 plus 1, 2 parts are divided not yet. But 1 parts, 2 parts, 1 parts. That is the only thing here. Put 2:1. Ratio 2:1. As before, find out x and y you are getting. X is equal to, write the formula and do, this is 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 4. No. That means 4 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. What you are getting? 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Okay. Tell me the answer.
X is equal to 2.
X is equal to 2, then y is equal to?
Y is equal to minus 5/3.
Y is equal to how much you got?
Minus 5/3.
X how much? X is equal to?
2.
2. Y is equal to?
Minus 5/3.
Other anybody got that answer? Then if you are
That is
getting
C. That is C, sir, not D. C is coordinate.
that means you took 1:2.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Here one part, here two parts.
Yes.
Okay. Now you are talking about C.
Yes.
That means x1, y1, x1, y1. x1 that is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to, what is that, minus 3 by 5? y1 is equal to
Minus 5 by 3.
5 by 3.
Minus 5 by 3.
Okay, no problem. Minus 5 by 3. Then what you can find the middle. You got this one and this one. S1 plus S2 by 2, they are getting as Y1 plus Y2 by 2, they are getting 1.
Now you want to find D also?
Yes, trisection. You have to find out C, you have to find out D. See the question. Find the coordinate of the points of trisection. That means these both we have to get. You got C now, then middle point divided by 2, divided by 2. Get in the middle point, that formula you can apply. Find out. Here we got this point.
D
2
is X is equal to 0.
minus 5 by 3. Now,
In
this
D,
is,
X is equal to 0.
okay, x1, this coordinate, that is 2 minus 2, 0. Good. No need of dividing by 2. Then y we have to find out. Here y is equal to, again, minus 5 by 3 plus minus 3 all divided by 2. This you have to do. Denominator is 3. Yes? Minus 5 by 3 minus 3. That means
Minus
minus,
7 by 3.
okay, minus 5 by 3 minus 9 by 3. Minus 9 by 3. Correct? Minus 3 by 1. That means minus 9 by 3. Minus 14 by 3 into 2. Denominator 2 is the 3 into 2. That means minus 7 by 3. So y is equal to minus 7 by 3. Exactly correct. So the coordinate, you understood this, I think so. This also LCM. Minus excellent. Good, good. Those who are confusing LCM of fraction, today morning 6 o'clock I did a video. That means I have one channel, Math Lab. You can see the Math Lab without LCM. Some small, class 6, class 7, class 5 like that, small concept. Morning 20 minutes before your class, I did that. Then in Facebook also I put that. Remember the name, maybe your class also there, Math Lab, some part of your class. Some children are asking me, that is why. Because we cannot store the more than 1 day or 2 days in your cloud. You are recording cloud now. The Zoom meeting we cannot. That is why I am putting in my channel.
A fraction decimal ആക്കണോ?
ഏത് decimal ആക്കുന്നു?
Minus 5 by 3.
No,
minus
no,
7
keep
by
like that. No, don't go. This will. What is the use of that? Minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. So D, we can say C is 2 minus 5 by 3 and D is 0 minus 7 by 2. എല്ലാവർക്കും കിട്ടിയോ? Zero by 3 means 0. Okay, good. 7 by 3. Jinsha. Okay. Ria. Yes. Okay, fine. നിങ്ങൾ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്ത് കാണാറുണ്ടോ ക്ലാസ്? Now 18 are there. Good. റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്ത് കാണാറുണ്ടോ എല്ലാ ക്ലാസ്സുകളും? ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ ക്ലാസ്
പോയവർക്ക് മാത്രല്ലേ കിട്ടൂ?
എവിടെ?
ക്ലാസ് കട്ടായി പോയാലൊക്കെ അല്ലേ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ ആ റെക്കോർഡിംഗ്?
മാത്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കും എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും. 10ാം ക്ലാസ് എസ്പെഷ്യലി ഞാൻ എല്ലാം എടുക്കാം. കാരണം നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും പ്രസന്റ് ആണ്. മറ്റു ക്ലാസ്സുമാരെയല്ല. യു ആർ പ്രോംപ്റ്റ്. ഐ നോട്ട് ബട്ടറി യു. ഐ ആം ഹാപ്പി. നിങ്ങൾ ഇതിൽ നോക്കിയാൽ കിട്ടും. മാത്സ് ലാബ് അത് അടിച്ചു നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. യൂട്യൂബിൽ മാത്ത് ലാബ് ബേസിക് ഉണ്ട്. മാത്ത് ലാബ് കുറെ ഉണ്ട്. മാത്ത് ലാബിൽ തന്നെ അടിച്ചു നോക്കിയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ്സുകളുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഞാൻ അതിൽ എന്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലാണ്. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. ചിലർക്ക് ആരോ കട്ടായിരിക്കാൻ ലിങ്ക് അയച്ചു കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലിങ്ക് ആവശ്യമില്ല. മാത്ത് ലാബ് ബേസിക് എഴുതി വെച്ചോളൂ. ഇനി ആർക്കെങ്കിലും വേണമെങ്കിൽ അയച്ചോട്ട് പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ എല്ലാ ഭാഗവും ഇല്ല, ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ഭാഗങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. മാത്ത് ലാബ് ആരും കണ്ടില്ല? ഇന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കും. എല്ലാ സബ്ജക്റ്റും ഇല്ല അങ്ങനെ. കാരണം സൂമില് ഓക്കെ സർ ഓക്കെ സൂമിൽ എന്താ പറയുക, നമ്മൾ അധികം 2 ദിവസത്തിൽ നിൽക്കില്ല. പിന്നെ ഫുള്ളായി പോവും സ്കൂളിൽ പോകും. അപ്പൊ അത് അതിലുണ്ടാവും. ഐ ക്യാൻ റെഫർ ഓൾസോ. നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്റെ ക്ലാസ് ഞാൻ കേൾക്കാറുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 40 മിനിറ്റ് 45 മിനിറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ അല്ലേ എല്ലാ ക്ലാസ്. അതെനിക്കൊരു സുഖമാണ്. അറിയാലോ എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്തെന്നുള്ള കാര്യം. ഓക്കെ ഫൈൻ. നിങ്ങൾ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനൊക്കെ പറയാം. 10ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലോ 8ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലോ ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്രശ്നമൊന്നുമില്ല. ഏത് സ്കൂളായി കഴിഞ്ഞു. നൗ കം. അടുത്ത് നോക്കുക. അടുത്ത ഫിഗർ. ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഒന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്ക്. ലെന്തി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വെരി ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. എന്താണ്? പ്ലാന്റ്സ് അല്ലേ? സ്പോർട്സ് ഡേ. ഓക്കെ. 100 ഫ്ലവർ സ്പോട്ട്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് എന്താ വേണ്ടത്? അവിടെ 2 പിള്ളേരുണ്ട്. സപ്പോസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ആമിന, സെക്കൻഡ് ഈസ് ഫാത്തിമ. ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. നൗ what is that telling? 1/4 of the distance AD. What is the distance AD? 100 flower plots. AD എത്ര total?
10.
100. അപ്പൊ 1/4 of 100 എത്ര? What is 1/4 of 100?
25.
25. 1/4 into 100. 25. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് അത് കിട്ടി. അതിന്റെ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ആ ഫസ്റ്റ് കുട്ടിന്റെ 7.12. Here flower pots each along AD as shown in figure 7.12. Narasimha runs 1/4 of the distance AD and second line, everything clear there. And post a green flag, a flag നടൻ, green flag, sports day. ആ കുട്ടിയുടെ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് പറയാൻ പറ്റും. Suppose that is Fatima. What is the coordinate? Fatima's coordinate. We need the coordinate. Whatever be the flagging or flag hosting or relay, whatever be that, we need the coordinate in ordinary systems. First is Fatima, second is Amina. Now Fatima's
10. How 100?
ഒന്നുകൂടി വായിച്ചു. At a distance of 100 flowers pots have been placed. ഇവിടെ 10 ആയിരിക്കും കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ മേലെ വരെ 100 ഉണ്ട്. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance 1 meter. So 100 അല്ലേ വരുന്നത്, 100 flower pots ഉണ്ട്. കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് രണ്ട് കുട്ടികൾ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. സംശയം 100 അല്ലേ? What is the coordinate of Fatima? What is that Narasimha, Niharika? What is this North Indian name? Excellent, 225. That means here 2. Fatima is 2. See, x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 225. Then what about A? 1 by 5. Tell me what is the coordinate of Amina? Here, Preeti. Tell me.
20.
S coordinate what?
8.
That is good. 8 and 20. Now see, our question is easy. Now what is the question? Kandaru Yarikum Endana the Sampo Padachone. 1 by 5th of the distance area on the 8th line and red flag, whatever be that. We are not, it is not affecting. Color of the flag not affecting us. Maybe red, maybe blue, maybe green. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining 2 flags, where should she post her flag? Now, first bit, what is the distance between here, F and A? What is the distance? The distance formula. Distance. Then another girl is there. Rashmi came here. Rashmi came in the middle. That means X and Y you have to find them. That is the question. Halfway between the line segment joining the 2 flags, where should she post her flag? That means what is the S coordinate of Rashmi? What is the Y coordinate? Question is clear and easy. എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നങ്ങളുണ്ട്? ഇപ്പം അത് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഇതല്ല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഇത് ചെയ്തു കൂടെ, ഇത് ചെയ്യാം അല്ലെ? നിങ്ങൾ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് കാണാം, എന്നിട്ട് എക്സും വൈയും ഹാഫ് ആണ്, ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 2 കൊടുക്കരുത്. നോർമൽ ചിന്തിച്ചു പോകും. Suppose this is 200 meters, 100 meters. We are not asking 100 meters. We will S coordinate. That means 2 plus 8 by 2. That means 5. And 25 plus 20. That means 45 by 2. We are getting this one.
Sir, here M1 M2 നമുക്ക് 1:1 എടുത്തൂടെ?
ഇത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു. 1:1. അതായത് no need of M1 M2. Whenever the middle, that formula apply. S1 plus S2 by 2. That means 1:1 ആ വരുന്നത്. Middle അല്ലേ? If Rashmi has to post the flag exactly halfway means middle line. Formula ഉണ്ട്. Halfway means middle. Bisect. That means S1 plus S2 divided by 2. That means 8 plus 2. 10 by 5, 2. That means 5. And 25 plus 20, 45 by 2. Midway half എടുക്കും. വേറെ ഒന്നിനും പോകണ്ട. 1 ഒന്നും എടുത്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഫോർമുല കിട്ടിയത് S1 plus S2 by 2 plus Y1 plus Y2 by 2. അതാ മിഡിൽ മാൻ. വളരെ ഈസിയാണ് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത്. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. X is equal to 5 exactly. Y is equal to Muhammad Goods
22.5.
ഇതൊരു അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ലെവൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അല്ലേ? അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ലെവലിൽ സ്പോർട്സ് ഡേ ഒക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഞാനൊക്കെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം സ്പോർട്സ് ഡേക്ക്. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഓരോ കൺസെപ്റ്റ്, സർക്കിൾ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്, പിന്നെ ഡ്രില്ലിന്ന് എല്ലാം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മാത്സ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. Now fourth question. Can I fourthലേക്ക് പോകാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Yes.
Now read the fourth question.
Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6 -8 is divided by -1, 6.
ഫിഗർ ഒന്ന് വെച്ചേക്ക്. ഈ എക്സാമ്പിളിന്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്താണ്? Draw the figure. Fourth question. Find the ratio with the line segment joining the points. I am drawing the line segment first. That is -3, and this is my A. This is my B. -3, 10, and C is -8. Divided by -1, 6. What is it? P is somewhere here, suppose P. Divided by -1 and 6. Ratio with the line segment joining the points -3, 10. 6 -10, 8 is divided by -1, 6. Even 1, 6 എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
No.
No. What? Coordinate is given. The point is given. So here P 1 -1, 6. Now we have to find out M1 is 2. That means K and 1. K is 2, 1. Here you are taking K is 2, 1. Now do this one. X is equal to and Y is equal to S is being the ratio 6K plus -3, 1 into -3 divided by K plus 1. Then Y is equal to, again, -8K plus 10 divided by K plus 1. Here we are getting two equations. Now find out the ratio. K is the right. Now, this I can understand. X is equal to, what is your X? Tell me. What is your Y? Tell me.
-1.
-1. This is 6. Now, make the equation and try. Since K -3 by K plus 1 is equal to -1, take from here. Here. Since K -3 by K plus 1, that is equal to -1. Then since K -3 is equal to -1 into K plus 1, that is -K -1. Minus cross multiplication, or into K minus K plus 1 minus K. Now solve the equation. I think you got K. Solve the equation. K is equal to how much? മനസ്സിലായെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു.
2/7.
2/7. 2/7, exactly. Good. All of you class. Good. 2/7. Minus K is there. Then mean and transposing. You are expert in that. Minus K will be plus K. 7K. Double transposing. -1 plus 3. That means 2. 7K. K is equal to 2/7. What the question? Find K or find the ratio? What is the ratio now? Find the ratio. K is equal to 2/7. K is 2, 1. 2 by 7 means, can I say 2:7?
Yes.
Yes. K is equal to 2 by 7. That means 2:7. Ratio is 2:7. That is the concept. M1 by M2 that. Remember that we divided by M2. K is M1 by M2. That is the ratio. That is K. That is 2:7. 2 by 7, 2:7. The ratio is 2:7. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടി ലെവലിന്റെ പറയണം ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് എക്സാം പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് വ്യൂ നമുക്ക് 5 മിനിറ്റും ഇല്ല 5 മിനിറ്റിലധികം അല്ലേ ടൈം
We have 8 minutes.
9:24.
Okay, good morning.
24.
6 more minutes. 6 more minutes.
Okay, I put the alarm. Now, fifth question. ഇവിടെ മനസ്സിലായ സംശയം ഉണ്ടോ
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir,
The ratio is 2:7 now.
2:7.
Okay.
Ratio is 2:7. Last answer you had right ratio. That means 2:7. Now, fifth question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining 1 minus 4 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. I think example 1 question is there. X-axis means what you mean? What you got? X-axis. Okay, see the question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining 1 minus 5 divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinate the point of division. X-axis means what we can say? X-axis.
Y coordinate.
Y is equal to 0.
That means whenever x-axis, then I can take x0. Coordinate is x0. Any point on x-axis, any point on y-axis, y0. Any point on x-axis, that means y coordinate will be 0. Now try that. Try it. Find the ratio in which the line segment divided by the x-axis. X-axis. Any point we can say x0. Also find the coordinate the point of division. 1 minus 5 and b minus 4 5. 1 minus 5. This is a and b is minus 4 5. It is divided by x-axis. It is in the x-axis divided by x-axis. That means you are getting y coordinate, take y coordinate. Y is equal to 0 is equal to. Okay. What is the y coordinate? It is 0. Now from here y is equal to. Take y is equal to. And taking y coordinate. Minus 5 plus 5. We don't know. We are taking k. K is to 1. The point I am taking k is to 1. That means y coordinate I can define Here, K minus 4K. Y is equal to K into 5. 5K. K into 5 plus 1 into minus 5. K is to 1. We are taking K is to 1. Let the ratio be K is to 1. Then K into 5 plus 1 into minus 5. Minus 5 divided by K plus 1. What is that? Is 0. Because y coordinate is 0. That means 5K minus 5 divided by K plus 1 is equal to 0. As before. Because y coordinate is 0. K is to 1 we took. That means
Sir, how 5K plus minus 5?
K into 5 plus 1 into minus 5. 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5. So 5K minus 5. 0 into any number is big 0. So 5K is equal to 5. So K is equal to 5 by 5, that is 1. So the ratio is, what is the ratio? K is equal to 1. Okay,
Minus
fine.
1. Minus 1.
K is 1. 5K is equal to 5. Minus 5 plus 0 means 5. 5 by 5 is 1. 1 is to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. That is 1 is to 1. That is ratio is equal to 1 is to 1. Not minus 1. 1 is to 1 exactly. Exactly. Now therefore exact divide in the ratio 1 is to 1. Then what is the
Sir,
question?
when we are
Division
taking this minus 5 to next side, it will become plus 5.
plus 5. And transposing. Minus y will be plus 5. K is equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the first 1 more minute that we are hurrying? Find the coordinate of the point of division. So how can you find the coordinate of division now? We got it here. This is 1, 1. That means half coordinate of division we are getting from here. Am I right or not? 1 and 1. That means middle point. Are you following or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So minus 4 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus minus 5 by 2. That is 0, 1. Twice. Okay. I think you understood. Any doubt? എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടോ? Okay, clear. Okay, then thank you because teachers are waiting in the other class in the other school, other
Thank you,
section.
sir.
I can say. Okay, then. So this I will send whatever morning I told you. Maybe you all came there. What are the portion like that? I will send it to the our WhatsApp also. Okay, then thank you and have a
Thank you,
nice day.
sir.
Take care.